Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to make mango ice cream. How I make my mango ice cream in a very simple way. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. This will help you get notified each time I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, you are all amazing. I appreciate. Thank you so much for everyone sharing my video. I appreciate you. God bless you. So my mango has been washed and I'm just trying to, I will be needing some mango chips for this my recipe, and this is optional. If you don't choose to add it to your recipe, it is not a problem. So I will transfer into my chopping board and then I'll make sure I chop them as small as I can to the size I want it to be in that chunk size. Okay, so you want to make sure you're working with a very soft, sweet, ripe mango in making your ice cream. So the mango is already to the size I want it, so I'll just put that aside. And then I'm using a double cream for this recipe. You can use a single cream, but I prefer using a double cream for this my mango ice cream recipe. So this is my condensed milk I made the last time in my previous video of Oreo cookies ice cream. If you haven't watched that video, the link will also be in the description box. You can click on it and watch it. So this is the remaining condensed milk. So I preserved it, and how I preserve it will be coming up soon. It's very simple on how I preserve my condensed milk. So you can make as much as you want and just preserve it until you're ready to consume it, so it has no expiring date. So I'll just transfer that into my blender, and so this time I already have my preserved blended mangoes. The link will also be in the description box, how I preserve my mango, if you haven't watched the video. So I will just add that into my blender and give it a thorough blending. And in this process, you can choose to use a fresh mango, also a very ripe one, and sweet mango if you do have it. I'm purposely making this with a blender because of one of my darling sister. Is nobody else than Didi on Cut. Yeah, I saw a comment on my previous video of ice cream, and she asked if it's possible with a blender, and I said yes, it is possible. So I'm making this because of Didi and everyone out there thinking to use a blender but doubting if it's not possible. So I will just give that a good blend and transfer that into my bowl. While blending, you can choose to add your food color to it, but I forgot because my kids were all over me because of the mango. So I'll just add my mango chunks and mix. You don't want to over mix this so that it doesn't become watery. So transfer all my blended butter into my mixture, into my mixing bowl, and then I will be adding my food color and mix, not over mixing. So I'm using the yellow custard food color. You can choose to use any product of your choice, and I'm just adding half a teaspoon of it, not to be too colored, and then I will give this a mix. Don't over mix. So after mixing, I'll put that aside and just transfer into my clean, easy scooping bowl, and I'll put this in my freezer and freeze for 6 to 8 hours. But I always make my ice cream at night, so I always freeze overnight, and in the next afternoon it is ready for us to consume. After freezing overnight and brought out of the freezer for about 5 minutes, I couldn't resist it anymore. I just have to scoop. I just have to scoop. So I'll be scooping into a plate and serve. I think this is one of my favorite ice cream. Yeah. I think, yes, this is my number one ice cream. Yeah. My number one, my number one. Yeah. This is my number one ice cream. It's so sweet. The taste is so unique. You know, there's, oh my God, you need to give this ice cream a try. Give it a try and let me know, okay? Make sure you give it a try and let me know how it turns out to be. So if you like this video, ensure to give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. Leave me a comment and don't forget to share. And also, I hope that the video is helpful to you. Bye. Until next video, be safe and be blessed.